Welcome to ABIDCon Tutorials. In this video, we're going to cover the video element that is new in HTML5. Now to follow along with this lecture, you're going to need an MP4 file. And if you don't have one available, just go out to Google and do a search on free MP4 videos. And you'll get lots of websites where you can download test videos. Now the video element in HTML is very similar in terms of its format to the audio element. So you're going to find this structure very similar. So as always, we need an opening and a closing tag. And here is the source element. You will remember we talked about that in the audio element HTML lecture. Well, it's the same process here. We specify all the different formats for our particular file. And again, it's the same thing. If we can't load the MP4 file, we want to go ahead and try and load the OGG file. Now obviously, I don't have a OGG file because I'm pretty sure the MP4 file will play. But again, it's the same concept as the HTML audio element. Now there are three attributes that we need to be concerned with. First, we want to set a width and height. So we use the width attribute first and let's set that to 640 pixels wide. And that is sort of a standard specification. And then we need to set a height. And we'll set the height to 360 pixels. But again, you can set these to whatever you want. Now, similar to the audio element, we can also use a controls attribute. And that will give us a nice little video player in our web browser. So let's go ahead and save this. Let's load our page up here. And there you can see we've got our video player inside of our web browser. So let's go ahead and hit play. This is a video test to make sure everything is working properly. And you can see that it worked. Okay, that's going to do it for this video. See you guys in the next video.